I wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetables.
I chop the onion. I chop the onions.
I peel the potato. I peel the potato.
I turn on the stove. I turn on the stove.
I add some oil. I add some oil.
I fry an egg. I fry an egg.
I stir the soup. I stir the soup.
I boil the pasta. I boil the pasta.
I add some salt. I add some salt. I add some.
I taste the food. I taste the food.
I set a timer. I set a timer.
I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I open the fridge.
I take the milk. I take the milk.
I crack an egg. I crack an egg.
I mix the batter. I mix the batter.
I slice the bread. I slice the bread.
I spread butter. I spread butter.
I grate the cheese. I grate the cheese.
I cut the vegetables. I cut the vegetables.
I wash the rice. I wash the rice.
I cook the rice. I cook the rice.
I check the oven. I check. I check the oven.
I bake a cake. I bake a cake. I bake a...
I set the table. I set the table.
I pour some water. I pour some water. I
serve the food. I serve the food.
It smells good. It smells good.
I clean the counter. I clean the counter.
I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes.
I dry the dishes. I dry the dishes. I dry.
I put away the dishes. I put away the dishes.
I throw away the trash. I throw away the trash.
I read the recipe. I read the recipe.
I measure the flour. I measure the flour.
I knead the dough. I knead the dough.
I boil water. I boil water.
I make some tea. I make some tea.
I grind the coffee. I grind the coffee.
I open the jar. I open the jar.
I save the leftovers. I save the leftovers.
I freeze the food. I freeze the food. I
heat the food. I heat the food.
I cut the fruit. Cut the fruit. I cut the fruit.
I make a sandwich. I make a sandwich.
I pour the cereal. I pour the cereal.
I wash my hands. I wash my hands.
I wear an apron. I wear an apron.
I follow the recipe. I follow the recipe.
The food is delicious. The food is delicious.
I am ready to eat. I am ready to eat.